firstly we will learn number 1 to 10. Let's start. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is fish. This is fish. How many fish we have? Let's count it. 1. How many fish we have? 1. This is number 1. Okay students, now look at here. What is this? Tell me students, what is this? These are seahorses. These are seahorses. Students, now tell me, इन्हें seahorses क्यों कहते हैं? बताइए. This is fish. ये fish है, लेकिन ये horse के जैसी दिखती है, इसलिए इसे seahorses कहते हैं. Okay students, how many seahorses we have? Let's count it. 1, 2. 1, 2. How many seahorses we have? 2. This is number 2. Okay students, now tell me, what is this? Tell me students, what is this? Yes, these are flowers. These are flowers. These are flowers. How many flowers we have? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 flowers. We have 3 flowers. Okay students, this is number 3. Now tell me, what is this? Tell me students, what is this? These are rabbits. These are rabbits. Okay students, what is the color of rabbit? Tell me, what is the color of rabbit? White. What is the color of rabbit? White. Okay, now tell me, how many rabbits we have? Tell me, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 rabbits. We have 4 rabbits. This is number 4. This is number 4. Okay. Now, tell me students, what is this? Yes, these are beetles. These are beetles. Okay, beetles क्या होते हैं? Insects होते हैं. Okay students. Now tell me, how many beetles we have? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay students, we have 5 beetles. We have 5 beetles. This is number 5. This is number 5. Okay students. Now tell me, what is this? Tell me students. Yes, these are dragonflies. These are dragonflies. How many dragonflies we have? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dragonflies we have? 6. This is number 6. Students, dragonflies भी insects होता है. Insects होते हैं. Okay students. Now tell me, what is this? Tell me students. Yes, these are kittens. These are kittens. Kittens क्या होते हैं? जो cat के बेबी होते हैं ना, उसे kittens कहते हैं. जो बिल्ली के बच्चे होते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Kittens. Yes. Now count it. How many kittens we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many kittens we have? 7. This is number 7. Okay students. Now tell me students, what is this? Yes, these are puppies. These are puppies. पपी किसे कहते हैं? जो डॉग के बेबी होते हैं ना, उन्हें पपी कहते हैं. Okay students. Now tell me, how many puppies we have? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many puppies we have? 8. This is number 8. How many puppies we have? 8. This is number 8. Okay students. Now tell me, what is this? Now tell me, what is this? These are penguins. These are penguins. Okay students. Now tell me, how many penguins we have? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many penguins we have? 9. This is number 9. Okay. Now look at here, students. What is this? These are seals. These are seals. ये भी एक fish होती है. Okay. ये भी एक fish होती है. Now tell me, students, how many seals we have? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many seals we have? 10. This is number 10. This is number 10. Okay, students. Now look at here. Let's repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, students. Number 3. Today we are going to learn number 3. Okay, students. Students, in previous class we have done number 1 and number 2. This is number 1. This is number 1. Okay. Now look at here. This is number 2. This is number 2. Okay. Today we are going to learn number 3. Today we are going to learn number 3. Today we are going to learn number 3. Okay, students. Now look at here. What is this? Tell me. Yes, these are clouds. These are clouds. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many clouds we have? 3. How many clouds we have? 3. Okay. Now look at here, students. What is this? Tell me. Yes, these are butterflies. These are butterflies. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, students. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. How many butterflies we have? 3. This is number 3. How many butterflies we have? 3. How many flowers we have? 3. Okay. Now look at here, students. What is this? Yes, these are bananas. These are bananas. Tasty होते हैं ना? आप लोगों को पसंद है ना? Yes. Now tell me, how many bananas I have? Tell me, students. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many bananas I have? 3. How many bananas I have? 3. Okay, students. Now tell me, what is this? Tell me, students, what is this? These are oranges. These are oranges. Oranges कैसे होते हैं? खट्टे मीठे होते हैं ना? टेस्टी भी लगते हैं, है ना? Yes. Now tell me, how many oranges I have? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. How many oranges I have? 3. Okay, students. This is number 3. How many oranges I have? 3. Okay. Now tell me, students, what is this? Tell me, what is this? These are apples. These are apples. Okay. How many apples I have? Tell me. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, students. What is the color of apple? Tell me, what is the color of apple? Yes, red. Red color होता है ना? हाँ. How many apples I have? 3. How many apples I have? 3. Okay, students. Now look at here, students. This is number 3. This is number 3. Now we have to color it with the help of crayon color. Okay. Now look at here. This is number 3. 3 number कैसे बनाना? Okay. Firstly make right curve, This is your maths copy. 1-inch box maths copy. Okay. Now look at here. How to write 3. Number 3. Firstly, we trace the dots like this. Firstly, make curve. Then again curve. Curve. Then one more curve. Curve. Then one more curve. 3. Number 3. 3. Number 3. 3. Number 3. Okay students, now look at here. Firstly make curve. Then one more curve. Firstly make curve. Then one more curve. 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 Number 3. Curve. Then one more curve. Number 3. Okay students, I hope you all are understood. Do practice at home. Take care.